Controlling expenses is important for a financially healthy future. Therefore, saving and managing the budget is of great importance for our future financial situation. Many people prefer to cook at home to reduce their expenses. This is both healthier and more economical. Eating out also includes additional expenses such as transportation, parking fees, and tips, in addition to the cost of food. Cooking at home can help you avoid these extra expenses. In addition, avoiding spending money on luxury goods can also be a way to save money. Some people buy luxury products to reward themselves or to make themselves happy. However, such products are often used only once or rarely, and can lead to spending a large amount of money. Instead, you can save money by buying quality products that you need and will use frequently. Reducing expenses is important for saving and creating a financial safety net for emergencies. Emergencies may include unexpected expenses such as health problems, job loss, or other urgent situations. Therefore, saving and creating a fund for emergencies is important for your future financial stability. Additionally, you can reduce your expenses by reducing your car usage. Especially for those living in city centers, using public transportation can be a more economical way to travel. Alternatives such as walking or cycling can also reduce your expenses and be beneficial for your health. Another step is to reduce credit card debt. Credit card debt can seriously affect your budget due to high interest rates. Therefore, it is important to reduce credit card usage or even close them if possible. If you have credit card debt, you can reduce it by making regular payments. Another step to reduce expenses is to buy second-hand items. Instead of buying new items, you can buy what you need at lower prices from second-hand stores or websites selling second-hand items. This way, you can buy what you need at a lower cost and protect your budget. There are many different steps you can take to reduce your expenses. Cooking at home, avoiding luxury goods, reducing car usage, reducing credit card debt, and buying second-hand items can all help you protect your budget. By following these steps, you can increase your savings and secure your financial future. Another step you can take to reduce your expenses is to cut down on subscription services. In today's digital age, many people subscribe to various services such as streaming platforms, music services, or online shopping memberships. However, these services can add up quickly and become a significant monthly expense. By reviewing your subscriptions regularly and eliminating any unnecessary ones, you can save a considerable amount of money each month. Additionally, you can also save money by buying in bulk. Purchasing items in large quantities can often be cheaper than buying them individually. This is especially true for non-perishable items such as toiletries, cleaning supplies, or pantry staples. By buying these items in bulk, you can save money in the long run and reduce your overall expenses. There are many ways to control your expenses and improve your financial health. By cooking at home, avoiding luxury items, reducing car usage, paying off credit card debt, buying second-hand items, cutting down on subscription services, and buying in bulk, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses and save money for the future. It's essential to remember that small steps can make a big difference in your financial well-being, and taking action now can help secure your financial future. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.